Hello dear viewer, this time from wherever you are listening and watching me. Assalamu alaikum to all, and today I will make video how to make garment shirt pattern from measurements size M by 14 inch. First take a paper coat and make half fold the gate center back and center front. I will use tailor square ruler 90-degree angle with measurement rules and squares. Shirt measurement size M by 14 inch, neck circumference 15 inch, across shoulder 17 inch, neck width point to point 6 inch, shoulder slope 1¾ inch. I explain how to get 3/4 and on video. Across back 15½ inch, across front 14½ inch, chest or bust full 1 inch below arm 14 inch, waist position 17 inch, waist width full 36 inch, set and bottom hem width 42 inch, shirt length from SPS 27½ inch, armhole full 20½ inch, and sleeve length including cuff 24½ inch, bicep width 17 inch, and elbow 15 inch, cuff opening 9 inch, cuff height 2½ inch, and chest pocket 5 inch by 4 inch, collar point 2¼ and 2 inch collar height, collar band 1¼ inch, back view height from center back 3 inch, shoulder forward 1¾ inch. I will explain on video how to get 1¾ shoulder forward. Thanks for watching. Let's go start video. Take a paper board and make half fold the gate center back and center front. I will use tailored square ruler 90-degree angle with measurement rules and a square figure 1. 0 is starting point. Part 1 upper back part. Square out from 0 to half shoulder in point plus 3/8 for seam allowance. Shoulder slope square down from shoulder in line. Use across shoulder measurement divided by 10. Mark at 1¾ inch. Shoulder slope. Square down to ½ inch intersect with line 0. Draw neckline curve as shown. A square from neck point to shoulder in point. This is back shoulder in line. Armhole deep. Bust 40 divided by 4. Measure from 0 and mark point. Then bust divided by 4. Measure and square out and mark at 10 plus 1 inch for seam, 3/8 for seam, 3/8 for double fold, and 1 for seam case. This is back bust. 3/8 inch seam folding and 3/8 double folding and 1/4 inch seam case. Across back, mark a point middle of 0 and arm waistline. Square out, mark point at 7¾ half across back measurement plus ½ inch for seam allowance. Square up from armhole and chest baseline to across back middle point, and this across back line. Draw the 1 inch diagonal line for armhole shape. Draw 1 inch diagonal line for armhole shape. Armhole shape using by armhole shape scale from armhole baseline and touch across back and into shoulder in point line. Shoulder forward, extend the neckline by 1.5 inch. Use neck measurement divided by 10 above the shoulder line. Square out from neck point to shoulder in point. This is back neck round line. Waist position measurement from 0 17 inch and mark point. Waist 36 divided by 4. Measure and square out 9 inch plus 1 inch for seam, 3/8 for seam and 3/8 for double fold and 1/4 for seam case. This is back waist. Part 2 full length hip set. Measure down from 0 full length 27.5 plus 1.5 inch for seam and seam case. Mark point. Square out hip set 42 divided by 4. Mark point 18.5 plus 1 inch for seam, 3/8 for seam margin, 3/8 for double fold and 1/4 inch for seam case. This is back set hip and square out 2 inch up for shirt bottom cap height. Draw curve at bottom hemline. Draw curve at bottom hemline using by hip shape scale. Draw side line from setting point, touch waist to join bust and armhole baseline. The completing back part pattern, the cut pattern from paper. Create seam margin inside of pattern. Here bottom only 5/8 inch and bottom hem seam margin. Other side only 3/8, bottom 5/8 seam margin. front part based on back pattern and take other paper board for front pattern making and bring back pattern before I draw it and making and cut, put on the board 2/4 inch extend from center back for center front placket making. Two-quarter inch extend from center back, square out, square down for center front line, same as a back part. Square out from center front to across back point, square out from center front to back bust in line. For the center front pattern making, square out from center front to back waist in line for center front, square out from center front to back shoulder in line, front across shoulder line, across front line, front bust line, front waist line. Draw outside of the back pattern for the front pattern making, less 38 from back pattern. Mark front side line, draw line as the same back. Before I showing you, mark on back pattern. Neck width as the back neck width, less 38 inch. Front neck deep, full collar divided by 5. Square up to neck point. Draw neckline curve shape as a swan used by neck shape scale. Front neckline, front half shoulder, same as a back shoulder. Front shoulder slope as a back shoulder slope. Draw front shoulder line. Across front 7/4 plus half inch seam margin, 1/4 inch seam case. Square up front chest line to across front. Draw 1 inch diagonal line. Front armhole shape, use shape scale from armhole baseline, touch across front joint shoulder point. Front armhole, less 1.5 inch back shoulder coming to less in line. Front shoulder line, cut and take out 1.5 inch. Extension center front line. Extend the center front button by 5/8. Square from front center neckline to anti bottom hand. 1/4 inch center front placket with as a swan. Create seam margin at neckline. First button 2 inch spacing from neckline. Then 4 inch spacing. Each button as a swan. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Pocket position 1 inch up from bust line. Draw pocket position top edge. Pocket distance from center front 1¼ 3/4 inch. Pocket, create pocket size as S1 5" pocket length. Drawing pocket length 5 inch. Bottom pocket with 4 inch. 2 inch each side and both 4 inch 3/4 inch up bottom pocket corner line. Drawing bottom pocket bottom line. Drawing pocket side line. Drawing other side as a before I drawing. Completing the front pattern, the cut pattern from the paper. Create in mark on the pattern. This is seam margin. This seam margin. Create seam margin drawing on pattern. Before I added 5/8 seam margin at bottom hem. Before I added 3/8 seam margin at back arm. Take back and front arm measurement for the back slip. Slip cap height, slip bicep width. (20.5 inch armhole). Take front and back neckline measurement for making collar pattern. Size aspect also have 15 inch collar measurement. Size M by 14 inch. Complete the front pattern. Now you part. Extend by 1/2 inch at yoke seam line. The cut back yoke. Back yoke. Lower 3/8 at yoke seam for avoid excess fabric and cut out excess paper. Added 3/4 for yoke seam margin. Front green line. Size M by 14 inch. Front cut 2 piece. Take a small paper, make a fold. Set pocket size and make as S1. Before I drawing on the front part. Pocket length 5 inch. Pocket width 4.5 inch, half 2/4, and pocket length 5 inch. Pocket sideline drawing. Pocket bottom part drawing. 3/4 inch. Pocket bottom width 4 inch. 3/4 inch up from bottom edge pocket side point. drawing bottom pocket underline, drawing pocket side line, and added half-inch seam margin, side and bottom pocket 7/8, road stitching mark, and added 1.5 inches seam margin at pocket top opening side. Half-inch seam margin at bottom pocket. Pocket green line, chest pocket green line. Size 40, size M by 40. Chest pocket cut 1 piece. Completing pocket pattern, the pattern from paper. Pocket top is line same, both sides same. Next, collar band, sleeve, armor cap height. Collar and band. Take back and front neckline measurement before I take back neck measurement and front back and front neckline measurement 15 inch 15 half 7 half 3-4 inch half for collar band shaping, band neckline shape by hip shape scale. This is collar band, body neckline seam, body neckline. Extension by 5/8, button overlap. One and quarter inch band height with seam allowance 3/4 total 2 inch with seam margin 2 inch collar band including seam margin. Draw by shape scale, draw curve by hip shape scale, collar band top, draw shape by hand. This band nose point, collar band nose point, shape smoothly by hand. Collar part in mark 3/8 seam margin. Completing collar pattern, cut the pattern from paper. Collar band pattern. Collar band pattern. Green line on collar band pattern. Size M by 40, collar band cut 2 piece and 1 piece interlining. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Collar part. Row based on band, top to collar, bottom. Mark collar length outside collar point. Mark interior seam. Two-inch collar height and collar point, 2/4, 2.5 inch 3/8 seam margin. Draw collar top by hip scale, hip shape scale. Added 3/8 seam margin. Green collar green line. Complete collar. Cut the pattern from paper. Size M/40. Collar cut 2 piece. One piece collar interlining or fusing at top side use. Complete collar and band pattern. Now sleeve part. Take other paper board and make fold. Get sleeve center line. Square out top of bicep. Sleeve cap height. Five of 3 of arm deep measurement cap height. 3. 5 of 3 arm deep measurement cap height. 5-inch sleeve cap height. Square out this bicep line. Bicep width. Now bicep width part. Take back and front armhole measurement divided by 2. Before I also measure and showing to you 20.5 inch. Again I measure for you confirmation. 20.5 inch. Get 20.5 inch divided by 2, 10.25. Square out 10.25 sleeve head to bicep width line. Mark as a working divided by 2. Again divided by 2. And divided by 2 and mark 3. A square down 3 mark 3. A square down, a square down. Work as a showing. And 3/4 inch upward for sleeve head width. And take front part and mark as a showing. Bicep in point 2. Sleeve head middle. This is front. Sleeve armhole line. Front sleeve armhole line marked as a front shape scale, up on armhole side scale, back armhole shape by back shape armhole scale, slip cap, slip bicep with 17 inch as a record plus 3/8 seam margin, half inches seam head, slip head, measure from slip top head to cup plus half inch seam case, half inch seam case, square out to cup opening, 2.5 inch half mark point cup height, square out at cup seam line, added half inch seam margin, cup opening 9 1/2, 4.5 inch, 1.25 inch slip fillet, half inch button overlap, half inch seam margin, elbow position, half of slip length, this elbow position, square out from slip center to half elbow width plus half inch seam margin, draw under slip, use hip shape scale, slip green line, complete slip pattern, the cut pattern from paper. Like, share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel. The cut front armhole side before I drawing. Create seam margin on pattern before I added. Create slip plate tip and position. Seven A fillet tip. One and quarter inch placket spacing, fillet spacing, 2 and second fillet did 5/8, 2 times 1/4 inch seam allow fillet deep, slip placket cut line, five inch slip placket length, four inch slip placket cut line, the completing slip pattern, cup part. Take a small paper, square out this cup edge line, half inch slip for button overlap, 9-inch cup open, button to button. Half-inch lid for button overlapping. Cup height 2.5 inch plus 3/4 seam margin. Each side 38, both side total 3/4. Create seam margin. Square out 3/8 seam margin, but cup middle, button point, button hole point, plus 3/8 seam margin, added 3/8 seam margin, both end of cup pattern. Create cup corner rounded by hand, smoothly by hand, smoothly make round and copulating cup pattern. Cut the cup pattern from paper, make fold and cut same other side, same as a before cutting. Both sides same. Green line, cup green line. Size medium by 40. Cup cut 4 piece and 2 piece interfacing. Cup top side use nose mark. One nose mark for center top side. Nose mark same as the back under side and sleeve. Nose mark until back with seam line. 2 nose mark for back side seam. 2 nose mark for back armor and seam. Also same sleeve and back arm, same point, nose mark. Back part and sleeve part same, missing. Sleeve placket making. Sleeve placket 5 inch long, 5 inch length. Sleeve placket with 7-8 inch. Other things and make other part and point, nose, everything following my drawing and making. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video and watch the video until end. And I hope you are gained and you earn some critical point and how to make easy with short pattern, full pattern, and learn how to turn your sharp design into a swing pattern with easy tricks. Follow everything, follow and watch my video beginning to until end, and I hope you learn better way pattern making from this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment on this video.